Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, we are going to see how to edit your images without any Photoshop skills. With just using the prompt, we can edit our images. So let's see how to do that. So Google introduced the new Gemini 2.0 Flash. Using that, we can generate images and also we can edit images using prompt. So go to this link in the description and you will get this UI. Sign in with your Google account. In the left hand side, click on create prompt, and in the right hand side, select model Gemini 2.0 Flash image generation experimental. The output format is images and text. Right now it is free since it is experimental. In future they may be introduced paid model. So make use of it now. Here you need to type in your prompt. So I'm gonna type a simple prompt. A cat sitting on the lawn. Generated one image of cat sitting on the lawn. Now you can make changes to this image. For example, the cat is in gray color. Let me change it to orange. Change the cat to orange cat. So you can see it is changed the cat to orange color. And you can also change the background if you want. For example, here it is lawn. I'm going to change that to beach. Change the lawn to beach. So it is somewhat added the beach, but it also has some grasses. So I'm gonna mention remove the greeny areas completely and make that to beach sand. And you can also see the image generation is pretty fast, and you can see it is completely removed the greeny areas and made that to beach. And you can see it is the same orange cat. There is no changes in this cat, but the background area is completely changed. You can also add another things like make the cat holding a fish. This is not pretty cool, but you get my idea. And if you want this image cat holding a fish, you need to delete all other results, or you can simply click on download and insert that image and make a prompt like make the cat holding a fish. For example, if you want to change something in this image, you need to either download or you need to delete the prompts and images. After deleting, you can type in the prompt make the cat holds a fish, and you can see it is not perfect as well. So you can also add your own images to edit. So I'm going to use AI generated images for this. I'm going to use the tool called tensor.art, where we can generate AI images using multiple different models. I'm going to leave the link in the description. If you using my link, you will get 50 credits, and in TensorArt you will get 50 credits daily for free, and using my link you will get another 50 credits. So make use of it and sign up with your Google account, then click on create, and you can create any images from here. For example, I generated this image using Flux model. You can select many different models from here. Flux is the most reliable one, so I generated one image using this Flux model. So I'm going to download that image and put that image on this and click on run. So it is giving the prompt of this image. I'm gonna type in remove the cat. You can see in the same image we just removed the cat. You can also add any other objects. Add puppy dog besides the dog. You can see, and you can place multiple images. For example, I'm going to add these two images and mention add the cat logo mockup in the man's t-shirt, and you can see the cat logo is added to the t-shirt. You can also do any type of mockup. For example, I'm going to add a coffee cup and I'm going to mention mockup the same cat logo in this coffee cup. So for some reasons it is changed the coffee cup. Let me delete these two and again mention mockup the cat logo in the cup. Maybe I added coffee, so it is changed. Next, you can also colorize your images. So I added this image and mention colorize. It is not perfect. It is added too much saturation. Let me fix that. Reduce the saturation value. It is completely remove the colors. So I'm gonna give the prompt like this. Don't remove the colors. Just reduce the saturation level to 50%. So it is so it is not perfect, but you get my point. You can also colorize your images, but it's not perfect. Maybe you can try different prompting techniques to get your desired result. And you can also change the camera angles using this Gemini. So let me show you. I'm gonna upload this image and I'm gonna mention give the front view of this man, and you can see, so it generated the front view of this man. So using this we can generate LoRa of this AI generated man. So we can create consistent characters using this. Let me show you another angle, rear view. So you can see it generated the rear view in the same background. Also you can do outpainting for your image. Let me show you. Zoom out. You can see the image got zoomed out. For some reasons it is working only on landscape images. I tried a square shaped image, but it is converting that image into landscape. Let me show you that. So this is this cat and dog image. I'm gonna mention zoom out. See, for some reasons it is changed the aspect ratio to landscape. Now you can see you can also change your aspect ratio of your images. So I dropped in this image, change the aspect ratio to 9:16. You can see it is changed the aspect ratio to 9:16. And you can also do product photography, like the models holding your products. For example, I'm going to use the same image and add this bottle, the man holding this golden bottle, and view the camera, and you can see the man holding the same water bottle, but for some reasons it is changed the background. You can try again and again to get your desired result. You can also change the expressions, make the man smile. See, I'm gonna generate, you can see, but it somehow changes the facial features. And that's it. This is how we can edit our images without any editing skills using Gemini 2.0 Flash. Right now it is free, so you can try that. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching and bye.